Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. We're storming up in the kitchen with some barbecue chicken, curry coconut shrimp, served with gungo rice and peas. Before we get in the video, did you subscribe? Did you turn on the notification bell so you know when I upload a video? Say done. Done. Let's get right into it. One thing about Jamaican, we use the eyes and nose to tell if the food tastes good. I know you're watching the videos and your belly rolling, but I have a little leftovers because I know your taste buds calling. You can never watch a Jamaican cook and your belly keep quiet. Your belly have to roll you once a Jamaican in the kitchen. We have the ingredients to make you wonder what I was doing. But don't worry, it's just the flavor in our hands. Our presence in the kitchen makes a difference. We name the fixer, we make everything look easy. It look like chicken is about to become a part of our national dish. Come to think of it, how would them put in the chicken? Not to mention when you curry it down, better pack curry, make everything look better. How much you love curry? Anything can curry, no make it. The flavor just make everything different. It have a aroma where hit you from miles away. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Remember to follow me on all media platforms at Hopi Vibe for more great content. Thanks for watching. Bye.